Get up on there. Turn around. 1, 2, 3, jump. Good job. You scary.
It's flying.
Are you flying? Turn around. 1, 2, 3, jump. Good job. You like that jumping, don't you? Hey, do you know your ABCs? Can you say your ABCs, Alexis?
S,
Yes.
D,
That's an I, but close.
I,
Yep.
U.
Can you tell me your ABCs? Say ABC. Say your ABCs. A, B, C, D.
F, B, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know what ABC. Next time I can see my
Very good.
O, C, S, S.
What?
Oh, I said ABCs.
Okay, say your ABCs. That's not how they go. A, B.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know it.
Now you know what? My ABCs? Are you okay? Hey, can you count? 1. Can you count for me? 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes next? 11.
12, 13,
Try again. 1, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
And what's next? 11.
12,
13.
14,
15.
15,
17.
18,
19.
and 20.
Good job. You're smart.